Cassie, hello. So it's Sunday, and we talked about making a vlog together yesterday, so I made one, but I don't really know what to talk about. My day was good. I am currently watching SpongeBob SquarePants, and that's pretty much all I've done today. I had a really yummy lunch. It was vegetarian chili. It's really good. What did I do today? I don't know. It's absolutely gorgeous out right now. I could show you the beauty of outside. Yeah, it's really pretty out. I really have nothing else to talk about. I look extremely white right now. I think it's because the sun is blaring at my computer. But what could I update you on? My brother's getting married in a month. I feel really insecure talking to a camera. It's very strange. I'm afraid people are going to hear me. I'm sick, actually. I don't know if you knew that, but I have a cold. And when I was in church today, I brought this huge water bottle with me. And it's a tin water bottle, which I don't know if you ever own one of those, but they make a lot of noise. And so, first of all, it spilled. That was kind of sad. Made me sad a little bit. But, like, okay, so it's tin, and so when it makes a lot of noise, when I, like, unscrew it, it, like, squeaks. So I don't want to make a ton of noise in church, so I leave it halfway unscrewed, and then I kicked it with my foot today by accident, and it spilled all over the floor. It's kind of sad. But the reason I brought it is because my cough is, like, every 5 minutes I'll have a cough attack. It's one of those coughs. And so brought it with me, spilled it. I don't remember how I got on the topic of talking about that, but girls' night out was really fun. I really, really wish I could come next year, except for the fact that I'll be in school, which stinks. But it's all good. I hope everyone had fun. I hope you had fun. I really want to know how you're doing. I feel like I should ask you questions so your video has more purpose than mine does. I'm sorry. Let's see. How's Diesel? I want to know how Diesel is. How's Harry? I want to know how Harry is. And how's school? Oh, how was that concert the other night? I want to know about that. You showed me like a picture of you standing next to a guy, but I don't really remember who it was. I think it was like Dashboard or something. But I want to hear about that. And I don't know what else to talk about. I have nothing else to talk about. But I want you to know that you're pooping awesome and that you should have a pooping week this week because I poop and love you. Bye.